Okay, so we're looking to find the rate of change of the line that I drew. Another name for rate of change is the slope. And how do you find the slope of the line? It's equal to what? Rise over run. And just a quick recap, the rise is the horizontal or vertical? Vertical distance from one point rising up or down, and then the run is the horizontal distance. So to calculate it, if you're given the graph, you're just going to count. Okay, and is my scale 1? Am I counting by ones for my x and my y-axis? I've labeled it here. Is it a scale of 1? Yes or no? Yes? So can I count by ones when I'm counting the squares? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So is that the rise or the run? Is 7 the rise or the run? Rise. And the run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, it's 7 over 7. What does that equal to? What's 7 divided by 7? So this has a rate of change of 1. Okay, you have to remember also, if the line is rising to the right in this direction, it's going to have a positive slope. If it's falling to the right, so if it's going from one point and it's going down to the right, it's going to have a negative slope. So if I draw a line this way, and I ask you to find the slope of this line, the green line, would it have a positive or negative slope? The green line, line B, is this going to be a positive or a negative slope? Negative. And let's count. Down 2 over 1, but we know it has to be negative because the line is falling to the right. So for line B, we would say the slope is equal to -2. This is line A. The slope was equal to +1. Okay, so you have to know the difference between the positive and the negative. Okay, so I've given you an equation. P is equal to 60 plus 0.208. In this question, P represents a person's pay. So I'm going to write these words here, and I want you to write it down in your groups right now. So I want to know if it's direct, partial. I want to know the fixed pay, the variable, sorry, I should say the fixed rate, the variable rate, is it linear, is it non-linear? You're going to circle the answers, okay? Write them down and circle the ones. Give you a minute to write those words down. You need to know all these words for your test. So if you understand every single word that I wrote on there, then you should ace the test. I am recording this, so you can review this tonight again. Okay, we're talking, so we're done. Okay, so is this a direct, just by the equation, how do you know that?
Because the pay is 60.
The what paid?
I mean the.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's 60. So the amount of sales is more.
Okay, you're on the right track. Who wants to help her out? She's on the right track. Kareem?
So like the pay is 60, right? And the origin is 0, right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't start at 0.
Yep.
So which makes it partial.
We did this last class. That's on your test as well. Okay? That's basically all you need to know for that. Okay, that basically summarizes the whole chapter right there. So you need to know if it's, so you need to study, yep. Aisha?
Like for the partial thing, like what about if he doesn't make the same amount of sales? So what is the like?
Yes, because he's getting 20 cents for every sale. So think of it like a percentage. He's getting 20% of his sales, 0.20. So every time he makes a sale, he's going to get 20%. So if he makes so you're right, I know what you're saying, but let's say he makes $100, he's going to get 20% of 100. Then if he makes $200, he's going to get 20% of 200.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep.
Is there gonna be a table?
There will, I'm going to get to that. You will have to do a table. Any questions about this? So you'll be given lots of equations, and I'm going to say, is it direct or partial? We've done a ton of work on that. So, for example, another example here.